Okay, so we're going to look at some probability again. This time we're going to look at the possibility of placing events in Venn diagrams and using sample space diagrams. So click pause, write your lesson objectives down, dates in Welsh, and then we move on. Starter, so click pause and work out your starters. When you're ready to see the answer, then click play again. Okay, so we put these in correct order and we go smallest to biggest. We will have ascending order, minus 81, and then minus 31, and then minus 22, minus 12, and minus 1. Here we got the formula. Cost is equal to the number of hours times 11 plus the standard charge. So if we have 3 hours, the cost is going to be 3 times 11 plus 21. So that's 33 plus 21, which will give us 54 pounds. In part B, formula is the same. N times 11 is the same thing as 11n plus C plus SC. They give us a cost this time, is 59. That's going to be equal to 11n. Don't know what n is, the number of hours, plus a standing charge of 15. We've got an algebraic equation, so if we circle this, put a bubble around it and float it over the other side, we got 59 minus 15 is equal to 11n. 59 minus 15 is 44, equals 11n. Let's get the n on its own. Take the 11 down the escalator, and 44 divided by 11 equals n, and 44 divided by 11 is 4 hours. 0.2 times 0.4, be careful, 4 times 2 is 8, but there's one decimal place here and there's another one here, so it's got to go back 2, so you've got 0.08, it's gone back 1, 2. And the last one, 1 kilo equals how many pounds? So one you've got to learn, 2.2, so 11 pounds is going to be 11 times 2.2, which is 24.2. Okay, so moving on. Venn diagram. We're going to use the Venn diagram to sort out some data. We've got these students here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 students. They've all got different color hair, and some are wearing glasses, some are not. So we can divide them into those wearing glasses, those with brown hair, and here in the middle we've got people who've got brown hair and are wearing glasses. Outside of the two circles, but inside the universe, inside this rectangle, we're going to have people who don't have brown hair and don't have glasses. So we start here. First one, nothing, no brown hair, no glasses, so he's outside the circles. Next one, we've got brown hair, outside the circle. We've got glasses, so inside the glasses circle. Brown hair, nothing, we've got glasses, we've got nothing, we've got glasses, and we've got brown hair, so he's going to go right there, and then we've got just brown hair. Now that's one way of sorting it. Take a while to draw these diagrams. Easier if we work with just numbers. So you can see on the outside there we got 4 who don't have glasses or brown hair. In the glasses circle, we got 3, but one of them has got brown hair as well. And in the brown hair's full circle, we got 4, but 3 of them don't have glasses. Only one has the glasses in there. So we can use numbers instead. So if we change it with numbers, we've got 4 on the outside, 2 wearing glasses, plus the 1 in the middle here. I've got 3 with brown hair, plus another with brown hair who's also got glasses. So we can write it like that. Easier to use when we have numbers. 3, 1, 2 and 4. Much easier. Okay. And that's called epsilon. We write it as the it represents the universe. So everything belongs in the universe. Right, you can use this Venn diagram then to calculate probability. First one, it says how many children are there altogether. It's nice and easy. All we do is add all the numbers up. 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 gives us 10. So there are 10 children altogether. Next question, how many children had brown hair? So 3 plus the 1 there. So 4 got brown hair. How many children wear glasses? 2 plus 1, so 3 children wearing glasses. How many children have brown hair and wear glasses? Brown hair and wear glasses. You only just got the 1 there. How many children don't have brown hair and don't wear glasses? So no brown hair and no glasses. We just got our 4 on the outside. Now probability. Probability of brown hair. So we said 4 have brown hair, so that's going to be 4 out of the total number, all of them. So it's 4 out of 10, which is the same thing as 2 out of 5. Probability that they wear glasses. So we've got 3 wearing glasses out of a total of 10. Probability of brown hair and wear glasses. We've got 1 out of 10 altogether. Probability no brown hair and doesn't wear glasses. So it doesn't have brown hair and doesn't wear glasses. It's 4 out of 10, which is the same thing as 2/5. Okay. Oops. So click pause here and make some notes in your books. Draw the Venn diagram and then when you're ready, click play again. In this example, we've got 20 students who study French, 30 study German, and 5 of them study both French and German. Show this information in the Venn diagram. What's the probability that a student picked at random studies French and not German, only studies one language? So, first things first, we've got to represent the students. So we can draw our circle for students studying French and one for them studying German. They overlap because we know that 5 of them study both French and German. So there's our 5 studying both French and German. Now, if we have 20 students studying French altogether, but we know 5 are already in here, that means we've got 20 take away 5 left to fit in here. So if I just write that down there, we've got 20, take away 5, which is 15. So that leaves us with 15 students studying French. Studying German, we've got 30 altogether. We've already got 5 here. So that means we've got 30 take away 5, which gives us 25 students. And in part B, it says probability that the student picked at random studies French and not German. So we can write that down. We can say probability French but not German. Oops. Now that's going to be just studying French. We've got 15 students. We can't count these 5 because they study German as well. So it's going to be 15 out of the total number. Total number of students is going to be 15, add 5, add 25. So you can write it at the bottom here, 15, add 5, add 25. So that gives us 15 out of 45. I can simplify that, and it gives me, because 15 goes into itself once and into 45 3 times. So probability of French but not German is a third, and then I can do the probability then, only studies one language. Oops. Lang, and that's going to be one language. You got 15 and you got 25, so 15 plus 25. They're studying one language. You can't count the 5 in the middle because they're studying both, and then that's out of the total number. We know the total number is 45 from before, so that gives us 40 out of 45, which is 8 out of 9. Okay, good. So what I want you to do now is click pause and make some notes, and when you're ready then you're going to attempt some questions for me. And these are your questions attached. So once you're ready, have a go at these. They're also attached separately. And once you've done this page, continue through 9 to 13. Good.